Article 2, Declaration of Principles and State Policies. Articles 1 to 6, Principles. Article 2, Section 1. The Philippines is a democratic and republican state. Sovereignty resides in the people, and all government authority emanates from them. Article 2, Section 2. The Philippines renounces war as an instrument of national policy, adopts the generally accepted principles of international law as part of the law of the land, and adheres to the policy of peace, equality, justice, freedom, cooperation, and amity with all nations. Article 2, Section 3. Civilian authority is, at all times, supreme over the military. The Armed Forces of the Philippines is the protector of the people and the state. Its goal is to secure the sovereignty of the state and the integrity of the national territory. Article 2, Section 4. The prime duty of the government is to serve and protect the people. The government may call upon the people to defend the state and, in the fulfillment thereof, all citizens may be required, under conditions provided by law, to render personal, military, or civil service. Article 2, Section 5. The maintenance of peace and order, the protection of life, liberty, and property, and the promotion of the general welfare are essential for the enjoyment by all the people of the blessings of democracy. Article 2, Section 6. The separation of church and state shall be inviolable.